Racing just started with good riddance. First to show quickness to the start, moving upon the outside. Sun King, Pair Heaven is running by, running by. Wide comes Pilio. Starborn comes next. Next online now is DreamWorks, while caught in the act is the indicator and going along for the first turn with Pair Heaven moves up by about a head, moving upon the outside. Sun King Pilio is down in third. Good riddance comes next, caught in the act, then followed by Starborn, while DreamWorks is in behind them. Half-mile distance they traveled with Pair Heaven by about half length, followed closely by Pilio in second, dropping back into descent. Good riddance comes next, caught in the X, then followed by DreamWorks, while Starborn is still running at the tail of the field. Another part of your Pair Heaven by about ahead, about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Pilio. We have Pilio and Pair Heaven are party out for then. Here comes Scott in the act now, closing into the as they swing for home. Pair Heaven and on the outside, caught in the act. Pilio in the middle with about 150 meters more to run. Now we have three entries, party out for the lead. Pilio in the middle, caught in the act is on the outside. Pair Heaven and finally it's close finish between Pilio and number 5 caught in the act. Then comes Pair Heaven, good riddance.
And indeed, it was a close finish for first between Pilio and caught in the app, resulting for a photo
Finish.
for first.